aliens ever find any of that intelligent life they're looking for? What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears to Snore. I drop that video content that's guaranteed to put you to sleep. And if you're returning to watch another video, thanks for coming back, guys. Out here ripping around beautiful PA. This is Parryville. Oh, look at that. All the cows out here hanging out, having a good time. Tell you, the scenery up here has really been something else today. And we went to Sirens Brewing. And if you haven't watched the video, holy freaking hell, was that place good. I'm a little angry with myself for not putting my flannel back on, but yeah, whatever. A nice way to end the weekend. Good rides, good food with Nico and Ray. Damn, look at the size of that friggin' camper. The views today have been honestly great, and like I said, for it to be hour and 20 minutes away, it's worth it to just come up here and cruise around, even if you're not going there. Half-pound burger. Oh boy. If you guys know any places up here you can recommend, please let me know, because like I said, it's easy for us. We get together, we eat lunch, you know, we go for a nice ride. We just entered Forest Inn. Here in a freshly paved road. Oh yeah, Pumpkin Festival. This is North 209. What is this place? Country Junction, the world's largest general store. But you know what? I have to put this on the list. I mean, what's not to like about, you know, this and this view? And it's kind of wild, right? I had just ridden around New Jersey and upstate New York and PA. It was just always going to the same places: Hawks Nest, Storm King Highway, Romans, Cedar Rapids Bar and Grill. I love that place, man. You can just sit out back and watch people go down to Delaware. Not now. Well, they might still be doing it. I don't know the water temperature. No, it's nice to get out and try new places. And in doing so, you find a ride like today, which going there to Sirens was really a nice ride. We came down 46 and then went through Pennsylvania. So if you set up your guidance to Yeah, because it probably would have put us on 80, so he must have had it set up to avoid highways. And incredible scenery. And then when you get off for Parryville, off the highway we came in on, the place is right there. You're literally on the off-ramp and you turn in the parking lot. Boarding stables, huh? You guys missing summer yet? 'Cause we're almost out of September. I can't believe that. Freaking wow. Dentist office? This is a pretty big dentist office. I think we're gonna ride this out and then catch 80 home. Definitely very grateful I got the seats redone, especially on a day like today when we're out for a while. You know, 2 hours, 20 minutes down, 2 hours home. It's a solid investment. I can't say enough good things about Mean City Cycles. Yeah, I just wanted to showcase some more of how insanely scenic PA has been the whole ride today. And if you made it this far, I thank you for watching. Drop on videos Friday 3 p.m.-ish and Sunday 12-ish. I hope you'll give the video a thumbs up and come back next week for some more content. Take care.